and welcome to the fashion track. I am so sorry I didn't put up a video on Friday. I was down with a horrendous cold and fever and was just literally dead on my bed. No scope for movement at all. But I'm all nice and well now. So today I'm actually going to do one of my first review posts. I was sent a couple of products by Oriflame, a Swedish brand. Oriflame from Sweden makes your wellness products, hair care, skin care, your lipsticks, makeup and everything else. It's just a regular beauty brand. And I was sent these three products from them. One is a styling spray, one is a smooth and sleek styling hair cream, and one is a pink lipstick from their series, The One. So today is one of my first review posts. Let's get started. Okay, so first up is the lipstick from their The One series, and this one is called Uptown Rose. Now when I tried it earlier, I had one major grouse. I am going to put it on right now. My one major grouse is that, first of all, it smells a bit intense of the rose, and secondly, I think it's too glossy for me. And the shade, this pink, is not ideal enough for our slightly darker Indian skin, but nevertheless, it serves as a great base for making those mixed shades. I have put this at the bottom and I'm going to use it as a base shade, and I've got my regular red, which is a matte, which sometimes just stays on your lips for too long and gives you that red, very bulgy feel. This is a good way to add some plump to your existing color. See, it plumps your lips up and it gives you nice edges. So the Oriflame, The One Uptown Rose color, while I'm saying is not bad, but I wouldn't buy it as a primary color. If you want to buy a pink specially, skip this one. But if you want to buy something which you can use to plump your lips with, then the Oriflame, The One Uptown Rose isn't a bad option at all. Okay, the second product I have with me is the Smooth and Sleek Styling Cream from their Hair X range. This is a whole lot of hair styling and keeping them straight accessories. Now, the reason that you should use these products is that it is absolutely essential to coat your hair in one of these products, because the external heat after a period of time, if you're used to straightening your hair every day for work or for going out, will make your hair brittle. So this costs about 399 rupees. Let's get the price out of the way. It is also available cheaper online, so I suggest you buy it from there. Now in terms of consistency, here, it's a nice face gel. You can see it there. It's a nice white color gel, and actually today I have put it on my hair earlier when I washed it when it was damp, and then I did blow dry it and straighten it, and it holds your hair together for quite a bit. So I would completely suggest that you go and buy this hair cream for keeping your hair nice and fresh. Okay, the third and final product I have is the Supreme Hold Styling Hairspray. It's a lot to say. This is also from their Hair X range. Now, the only problem I had with this one, not that the consistency is not nice, is that first the nozzle is just way too tight. I mean, I've opened it and it takes like 2 hands to do this. Yes, and that's not very ideal in situations where you're like, you know, parting your hair on one side and want to put it on the other. It's a little bit hard, but you have to press it a couple of times to loosen the sort of grip. Secondly, you should put this also on your hair when it's just about that place between fully dried and just slight bit of hair left in your slight bit of wetness left in your hair. You put this in your hair and you know it easily clumps up, and you can arrange this in places and put pins. No issues with this at all. I think this is priced at about 449 rupees again. 450 bucks, which is actually pretty decently priced when you compare it to the other products in the market. So those are my 3 products for today, sort of a product quickie, if you can say. A styling hair cream, a styling spray, and a lipstick. That's all I have for you in this video. I promise to be back with another video on Friday. I haven't thought of a topic yet, but I promise you that you will be pleasantly surprised. So till then, always remember that I have new videos on Tuesday and Friday, and of course, lipstick is God, and always be stylish. See you next time. If you like what you see, then don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and spread the love. If you want to give me comments, feedback, or just want to have a quick chat, then hit me up on thebouncegirl@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out the other videos, and remember, new videos every Tuesday and Friday.